Hello student, in the last lecture we had studied the how you give the common name to the hydrocarbon compound. Again, you know that in the common system there is a drawbacks because the common names depends upon the source of hydrocarbon compound or its properties. Nowadays, the million numbers of organic compound is synthesized or occur. Therefore, it is too much difficult to give its common name. Therefore, the new system is developed. The name of system is IUPAC nomenclature system. The long form of the system is International Union Pure and Applied Chemist. This system, the nomenclature system, is mainly depends upon the skeleton or the structures of hydrocarbon compound. Therefore, this system was accepted all over the world. What is the patterns of writing the IUP systems? In the IUP systems, mainly three units are used. The first is the prefix, parent, and suffix. When you write the IUP system, IUP is the name of any compound, then arrange the three units like this. First prefix, second parent, third suffix. What is the prefix? Prefix indicates any substituent present in the chain of hydrocarbon compound. Its proper number and name is indicated by the prefix. What is the parent? Parent is indicate the skeleton of carbon compound or name of alkane. And suffix indicates which type of functional group is present in the chain. In giving the nomenclature in the IUP system, some steps is used of. In the first step, you remember one important point, in the 10th class, in your class, only state chain hydrocarbon containing the functional group. Such type of hydrocarbon is included in your syllabus. Branched chain and other two functional group is not included. Therefore, try to understand how you write the IUPAC names of the state chain hydrocarbon compound containing only one functional group. Try to understand the first step which is used in the IUPAC nomenclature. First, write the state chain hydrocarbon compound and count the number of carbon atom present in the chain and write its parent name. What is the first rule or first step? Write the state chain of given hydrocarbon compound and count the number of carbon atom present in the chain and write its parent name. Parent name means alkane is considered as a parent compound. Therefore, write the name of alkane. You know that the name of alkane depends upon the number of carbon atom present. If one carbon atom present, the name of alkane is methane. If two carbon atom present, the name of alkane is ethane. Three carbon atom, name is propane. Four carbon atom, name of alkane is butane. If it contain the five carbon atom, name of alkane is pentane, like this. You count here the number of carbon atom present, how much? 1, 2, 3. The name of parent, name of this chain is a propane. This is the first step. Second step, if the chain contains the functional group, then give the number to the carbon atom in such a way the functional carbon atom indicates the lowest possible number. You see here functional group which is present, the OH is acts as a functional group here, alcoholic group. Then give the numbering to the chain like this. 1, 2, 3. This is the first pattern. Second pattern, give the from lower side. 1, 2, 3. Which is the correct? This one is the correct because this carbon atom indicates the lowest possible is 1. Here indicates the 3. Therefore, 1. This system is correct. Next, third step, remove the or replace the ending "e" of the alkane by the OL. Why? Here name of function is given and in second column ending is replaced by which words? which letters? Here, if alcohol is present, then ending E of alkane is replaced by OL. If ketonic group functional group present, then ending E of alkane is replaced by ONE. If amine functional group present, then ending is replaced by amine. If aldehyde CH group is present, then ending is replaced by Al. If carbonyl acid is present, ending is replaced by the OIC acid. If double bond is present, double bond acts as the functional group, then E is replaced by ENE. If triple bond is present, ending is replaced by the YNE. Here, which is the functional group here? OH is the functional group. There in this table, E is replaced by OL. Therefore, remove the E or replace the E and write the OL. Write the OL. Then OH is attached to which carbon atom? First carbon atom. Then write its proper number. The number and word is separated by the horizontal single line in between the word and the numbers. The name of compound is propane 1R. Like this, write the second example. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, OH, CH3. How will you write the equation name of compounds? What is the first step? Count the number of carbon atoms present in the chain. First count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atoms present. Then what is the parent name? Parent name means alkane name, butane. Name of compound is butane. Here, which is the functional present in the chain? OH. Then give the numbering to the carbon atom in such a way the functional carbon atom indicates the lowest possible number. Give the numbering from this A. 1, 2, 3, 4. OH is present to the second carbon atom. Then E is replaced by OL because here alkyl group present. OH is present. E is replaced by OL. Here also OL. Where is attached? It is attached to the second carbon atom. That is proper number. Means butane 2-ol. Name of compound is the butane 2-ol, or sometimes we write it like this, or 2-butanol. It is also correct. You remember the first pattern only. It is also correct, 2-butanol. Third example, take the ketonic group. CH3, CO, CH3. Write the IUPAC name of compounds. How many carbon atoms present here? 1, 2, 3. The name of compound is 3 carbon atom means propane. Here, which is the functional group? CO is a ketonic functional group. Then see in the tables. If CO group is present, ending is replaced by the which word? ONE. Then remove the word E replaced by ONE. If you give the number to the carbon atom, then it is present at the middle position. Therefore, do not write the 2 number, or write 2 number. Propane 2ONE or propanone is the IUPAC name. Third example, fourth example, CH3, CH2, CO, CH3. This is the fourth example. Count the number of carbon present here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Parent name is 4 means butane. Then give the number to the carbon atom from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you give the from upper side, then it is the largest number to the CO group. Therefore, which is the correct? The lowest is the correct. E is replaced by CO group present here. There ONE, ONE. The number of ONE CO group is 2. Write the number 2. But2ONE. Butane 2ONE. Next example, take the amine. CH3, CH, NH2, CH3. What is the name of compounds? How do you write? Count the number of carbon present here. 1, 2, 3. Name of parent name is propane because 3 carbon atoms present here. Which function group present? Amine function group present. Where is the attached? It is attached to the which carbon atom? 1, 2, 3. Second carbon atom. Therefore, In case of amine, is replaced by amine. Write the proper number and name. 2-amine. Propane 2-amine. IUPAC name of compound is the propane 2-amine. Here's the next example. CH3, CH2, 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 NH2. Here, how many carbon present? 1, 2, 3, 4. Name of compound is butane, which is the function group. NH2 is function group attached to the first carbon atom. Therefore, write this name and is replaced by number butane 1-amine. Understand up to this point how to write the IUPAC name as alcohol, ketone, and amine. Then try to understand the other functional groups. Aldehyde, CH3, CHO. Here give the number 1 to the functional group CHO group carbon. Remember 2. How many carbon atoms present? 2. Name of alkane is ethane. Here which is the function group? CHO, aldehyde is function group. E is replaced by Al. Remove the A and add the word Al. The IUPAC name is ethanol. Second one, CH3, CH2, CHO. 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon atom means name of alkane is propane. Here E is replaced by which is represented here aldehyde. Aldehyde for Al. Al for aldehyde. Propanol. IUPAC name is propanol. Next example, carboxylic acid. CH3, CH2, CH2, COOH. Count the carbon atom present here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atom means butane. Give the number. Numbering start from the first carbon atom function group. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here COH will present for COH. OIC acid. He is replaced by OIC acid. Butonic acid. Name of compound is butonic acid. Next example of acid is CH3, COOH. Count the number of carbon present here. 2 carbon atom. Name of compound is parent name is ethane. Here functional group is COOH. Therefore remove the E and add the word OIC acid. We get a IUPAC name of compound ethonic acid. Next one, double bond compound. CH3, CH, double bond, CH, CH3. How many carbon present here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, the parent name is butane. Here, no functional group present, but double bond acts as a functional group. Then give the number to the carbon atom in such a way. Double bond carbon atom indicates the lowest possible number. Double bond present in between the 2 and 3. Which is the lowest? 2 is lowest. Therefore, E is replaced by double bond ENE. Butane 2-ENE. Next one, triple bond CH, triple bond CH. How many carbon present here? 2. Name of parent name is ethane. Here triple bond acts as a functional group. For triple bond, is replaced by YNE. Is removed by the YNE. We get the IUPAC name ethyne. Such type of write the IUPAC name. Question may be asked on the examination in the examinations. Write the IUPAC name of the following compound, or sometimes the name of compound is given. Write its structure. For example, write the structures of ethanol. Write the structure of ethonic acid or butane 2-NE. pentane 1-ene. Such type of question may be asked in the examination. Thank you. Battery low.